Today we're featuring a 2015 Honda Civic EX. It's a certified unit. It's got 36,000 miles on it. Alright, it's CARFAX One-Owner. It's alabaster silver, metallic in color. Alright, I'll go ahead and give you the walk around. Go ahead and make our way down the driver's side of the vehicle here. Everything looks in great shape. Push button entry there, and also push button start. Alright, everything looked good going down the driver's side. We'll take a look at the back of the vehicle. It is equipped with a rear view camera. Alright, everything looks good back there. 16-inch alloys on here. Alright, everything looks really good coming down the passenger side. Alright, go ahead and give you the shot of the blind spot monitoring system. Alright, that's your camera right there in your side mirror. You hit a button on the inside and it will show you your blind spot. Really cool feature that Honda offers. Alright, everything looked really good on the walk around. Okay, we'll go ahead and take a look on the inside. Door panel looks like it's in good shape. Nice cloth insert there. Alright. Power locks, power windows. Black cloth. Alright. Driver's seat's in great shape. Passenger seat's in great shape too. Give you a shot of the sunroof here. Pan back out a little bit. Alright. Has the sunroof. Alright, it does come with 2 key fobs. Lay those out for you. Okay. Automatic, HDMI, USB, and power outlet there. Alright, nice big touchscreen with the backup camera. And I'll show you that in a second. We'll turn that on. Alright. It is equipped with Bluetooth and steering wheel audio controls. And there's your blind spot monitoring button. And I'll show you how that works in a second. Alright, now I have your home screen up. I'll go ahead and engage it into the rear view camera. Alright, really nice big screen there. And then back to your home screen again. Go ahead and give you the shot of the mileage. It's got 36,396 miles. Alright, we had the AC on blowing out for about 10 minutes. Everything was really cold there, no problems. Right, push button start. I'll go ahead and show you this blind spot monitoring. Alright, you just engage here, push the button, and what it does is it shows you a video of your blind spot, alright, on your screen there. So you're actually looking at the, what is that, the right side of your vehicle. It's going to be over here on the left part of the screen. This is the side of your vehicle, alright, and all this over here is your blind spot. You can see a car coming up. Really cool feature that Honda offers. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. We'll go ahead and check out the back seat. Alright, door panel's in great shape. Cloth back here's no problems. Alright, that all looks good. Go ahead and kind of give you the driver's eye view, the layout. Everything looks really good there. Let's go ahead and check out your trunk space. Let's see. We'll have to engage the trunk in the front seat. Alright, we'll give that a pull there. Alright, as you can see, it's in good shape. No problems back here. I'll kind of stand to the side, let you get the depth so you can just see how much space. Plenty of space. 2 suitcases, 3 suitcases, a couple bags of golf clubs. Plenty of room back there. Go ahead and give you a shot of the passenger seat in the front. Everything looks good. Let's get a shot of the wheels and tires. 16-inch alloys on here. Alright, alloys look good. Brand new set of tires. Alright, once again guys, it's a 2015 Honda Civic EX. 36,000 miles on it. Alright, it's a CARFAX One-Owner. It's a certified unit. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.